Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to connect your BW-HL3 Blitzwolf smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here, and I'm gonna show you on how to connect your Blitzwolf BW-HL3 smartwatch to your smartphone. Alright guys, so all you just have to do is we're going to download Gloryfit application. So as you can see there, it's already downloaded. Now guys, so all we just have to do is we're going to open our Gloryfit, and all you just have to do there is you're going to click allow. So click OK, Bluetooth, and we are going to register. Yes, we're going to log in, so you can use your Facebook or your Apple ID. So in our case, I have already registered this one before, so I'm going to log in through my email. But if you don't want to log in guys, so you can just try to click skip and also try to agree there. Click agree and skip and allow using, well, only using the app. So they have the device. So Gloryfit would like to send you notifications. Click allow, and you can see add device and select device. Okay, so as you can see guys, it's already connected to our smartphone. Okay guys, so it's just easy. So in our application you can find different features like that. We have here the dashboard, the heart rate, the phone and application, sedentary reminder, alarm light up, and also do not disturb. So I will be making some tutorials regarding those settings that you might want to check. Alright guys, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.